was interesting today on the 25th of October 2024. We have Pohjoisranta, modernized 6 stickers here in Kone, Helsinki, Pohjoisranta, Finland. And this is an addition to the older building.
Yeah.
This was finished probably in the 1950s. We was these three versus the photographs, was with Kone fixtures. And we said it was 2003, let's see inside. 2003, the lift has been lost. But unnecessary levels.
Yeah.
Yes, built in 1957 originally, December 67. And it has the old metal plate there.
Yeah.
Green lights though.
Yeah.
Just the indoors are necessary. But also this modernization was also necessary.
Yeah. Yeah, all lights are green here.
Yeah. It's probably I 2003.
Yeah.
Because MP4 was better.
Yeah.
It was more interesting.
Yeah. He's tillbaka väisketään, että meitä ei nyt pääs hissi.
You can still do a second, right?
Yeah.
I know they also don't pay, but it's necessary.
Yeah.
And a green light is better than a red one.
Yeah.